Hi, my name is Anthony Blanco. This is activity 2.3, adding a DC to the 412 DOM1 domain. So to begin, I'm going to open up my 412 server 1. And the first thing I want to do is delete the trust between 412 DOM1 and the 412 Forest 2. And then I'll demote 412 server 2 to have the 412 Forest 2 forest removed, and then I need to promote the 412 server as an additional DC in the 412 DOM1 local domain. So I'm going to go to Tools, Domains, and Trusts. I'm going to right click on 412 DOM1 and go to Properties. I'm going to go to Trusts, and I want to remove the 412 Forest 2. And I'll hit Remove. Yes, remove trust, and I got to enter in the credentials of the 412 Forest. And it says, are you sure you want to remove the outgoing trust? I'm going to say yes. And I need to repeat the same step for the incoming. Remove. Yes, I want to remove. And I don't have to re-enter my credentials. And are you sure? I am sure. Okay, so the trusts are removed. I'm going to click OK. Close out of this. Now I need to go to my 412 server 2, and I need to demote it. I'm going to switch over 412 server 2. I'm going to go to manage and remove roles and features. Click next. Click next, and I want to remove the Active Directory domain service. Remove features. It's going to take a moment. And it says I need to demote it in order to remove the feature, so I will hit demote this domain controller. I want to select the last domain controller and domain, make sure that's checked. Then I'll hit next and proceed with removal. This give me a warning message. The Active Directory domain services are not going to function once it's removed. Click next, and I want to remove the DNS zone and remove the application partitions, and click next, and I need to enter in credentials. Click next, and hit demote. This will take a moment. The next thing I need to do is wait for this to come back up. Okay, that's gonna restart. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video and then come back and finish up the last couple steps. why my server 2 restarts. Okay, my server 2 has restarted. Before I can promote this, I need to change my network connections. I need to set my DNS. Okay, it looks like it's okay in there. Didn't change. And that's fine too. Okay, so I can continue. I want to promote this server to a domain controller in the notification area. Wait for it to come up. Okay, I want to add a domain controller to an existing domain. That's what this activity wants me to do. So it's going to be 412 dom1.local. I need to change the credentials. Click OK, hit next. The wizard can't access this domain force error. Okay, I must type this in wrong. Dom1.local. Okay. Next step. Go ahead and leave this as global catalog. It automatically goes into site 12, and I gotta enter in my DSRM password. Okay, leave this as default. This as well. Next. Next. And it's gonna go through the prerequisite, and I can hit install. It's gonna go through install, and it'll restart right after the installation. So I'll pause the video, I'll come back up, and I'll verify that it's in the domain OU as a domain controller. Okay, my server 2 has restarted, and I logged into domain, and if I go to tools, Active Directory users and computers, and go to the domain controllers OU, I now see Windows Server 2 in there as a domain controller. So that is it for this activity. Activity 2.3, adding a DC to the 412.1 domain. And just a recap of what I did, I first deleted the trust between the 412 dom1 and the 412 forest 2, and then I demoted the 412 server 2, and so it can have the 412 forest 2 forest removed, and then I promoted the 412 server 2 to a DC. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much.